Morning guys, it's Aaron Stevenson back behind the camera again. I'm going to do a cold start on a Vauxhall Astra this morning. Yeah, I'm going to, as you can see, it's frosty this morning. So yeah, I thought I'd give you a cold start this morning. Seems it's been, yeah, as you can see, it's very nice inside. Very frosted up, but yeah, let's see how we do. Turn the key. Oh, Christmas music. Pump for good luck and see what happens. Let's turn that radio down, turn that heater down. Right, 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Started right up. -1 this morning, -1.5. Yeah, so just stick the heater on. Yeah, well, that's cold on my leg, so I've got my foot outside the door. But yeah, it's a bloody great car this. Had it from new, had it from brand new, 2008. But yeah, it's a great car. Great car. It's just such a great car. Yeah, let's give you a tour outside. Let's put the rear heat on. What are we on that? Oh yeah, that's all right. Right, let that do what it's got to do. Yes, very nice. Frosted up. Yeah. Yes, very nice. Very cold. Let's up the bonnet. Let's show you the engine. It's the mileage. Yeah, so as I say, it's a great car. I've got the old Smart next door to me. Has defrosted, has come. As you can see on the back window, it's got defrost this car now, and go from there. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.